Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer notes from Android to Android. Okay, so switching to a new Android phone, all right, don't worry about losing your important notes. I'll show you how to transfer all your notes quickly and safely from your old Android device to your new one. Now, before transferring, know that notes might be saved in apps like Google Keep, Samsung Notes, Microsoft OneNote, or other third-party note apps. So this tutorial covers the most common methods to transfer notes from these apps and the general device transfer process. So here's a transfer notes using Google Keep, that's Cloud Sync. If you use Google Keep, your notes are automatically synced to your Google account, making transfer a breeze. So make sure your notes are synced by checking that you're signed into your Google account. So sign in with the same Google account you used on your old phone. After signing in, your notes will appear automatically on the new device. All right, so that's just it. After signing in, your notes will just go ahead and download Google Notes, Google Keep on your new device, sign into your Google account, and your notes will just appear automatically on the new device. No manual transfer needed. No. Then, how do you transfer Samsung Notes via Samsung Cloud or Smart Switch? Go to the settings inside the Samsung app, then tap Sync with Samsung Cloud and enable syncing. Then open Samsung Notes and your notes will sync automatically from Samsung Cloud. Alternatively, you can install Smart Switch on both devices, usually pre-installed. So connect phones via cable or Wi-Fi, choose transfer data, and select Samsung Notes to move. Another one is to transfer notes from other apps or local notes. If your notes are stored in other apps or locally on your device, open the Note app and look for an export or share option. Many apps let you export notes as files like PDF or TXT or share them via email or cloud. Export your notes to Google Drive, Dropbox, or email them to yourself. Then download or import the note files into the corresponding app on your new device. That's it. Likewise, you can use Google Backups and Restore for device-wide data, including notes. So on your old phone, go to Settings, go to Google, go to Backup. Make sure Backup to Google Drive is turned on and a recent backup exists. Then choose Restore from Backup when prompted. Your apps and data, including notes from supported apps, will transfer. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.